All right, we just got finished grinding this big old beet stump. You can see there's a glove for perspective. So that's got to be close to 20 feet across, at least 15. And it was, you can see the chips in the middle of the bed here. That's where the most of the wood was. It was mostly hollow, so it wasn't a huge amount of chips. All the rest of this was part of the mulch bed that had been put around. You can see this is all loamy stuff right here. I mean, really just crumply, great looking soil right now. Well, you can also see it's just starting to rain. I don't know if you can see this or not, but take a look at the truck. Just starting to rain. And if I didn't get here before it rained, it takes days and days and days to dry out these beds. This would all turn to mud. You can see as it is, we just had a little bit of a buildup here between the tires. That would have all been just packed with mud, and it would have made a mess out of the machine. And then this stuff, instead of being crumply, it would be so hard to move and handle because it would just be, it's like plowing wet ground. You know, it turns kind of very hard and clumpy rather than loamy like that. So that's looking good right now. One other thing to point out here. I was like, what's going on in my truck? A couple pieces of mud just spattered up on the truck. If this was wet out there, this whole truck probably would have just been covered with mud instead of those couple little splatters. So I'm glad we got a chance to get it done today before this rain hits. You can see this kind of a low-lying area. There's a creek back there. It's all pretty wet ground here. All right, thanks for watching. Daniel Murphy. Have a great day.